morning friends, welcome to the first match between CS and WW. I will inform you every player stats. I will tell you the batting order and bowling order, and I will tell you the captain and vice captain choices also, and I will inform you every player stats also. Before knowing the everything, please go to the Telegram channel and please subscribe my Telegram channel so that there is any change in the lineups. I will give you the stats of the every player in my Telegram channel, and I will give you the free teams also in my Telegram channel only. Please subscribe my channel. This is my channel Target for Grand League. So please subscribe my channel. Now I will inform you the wicketkeeper stats. M Hakim is the opener batsman, but he will come to middle ordering only. His stats are 33 matches, 368 runs. If he is there in this match, it's your choice to go with him or not. As Sharif is a very important player, he will come to two down batting, but his stats are very good. 47 matches, 853 runs. He is a very good pick. So try to go with him. M Iman is the one down batsman from NS side, and he will come to one down batting. And he scored very well yesterday's match, 30 runs. And if you want to go with two keepers, you can go with two keepers, and if you want to go with one keeper only, you can go with Sharif only, because he is a very important player. As Singh is also another opener batsman, and his stats are 24 matches, 362 runs. Coming to the batting side, Hur Rahman, he played 3 matches, but he didn't score anything. He is the opener batsman. If he is there in this match, you can go with him. It's your choice only. Jamuddin is then another all-rounder player, friends. He is a very good batsman, and he is a very attacking batsman. He will come to the batting of the two-down batting, and his stats are 42 matches, 815 runs and 15 wickets. He will bowl comfortably 1 over 2 hours, and you can go with him. He is the main pick to in the Grand League. D. Hafiz is another good batsman. He will open the innings, and he is a very good attacking batsman. 4 matches, 160 runs. You can go with him because he is a very attacking batsman. RYS is the one down batsman, friends. Try to keep D. Hafiz, RYS as a combination, because these both players are very excellent players and young talent players, and they RYS stats are 6 matches, 133 runs. He didn't play yesterday's match, but don't leave him this match because he can score very big runs. So try to go with him. A Jubadi is another important player. He will come to the opening batsman, and his stats are also very good, and his stats are 48 matches, 665 runs, 4 wickets, and he is the part-time bowler. If the NS bowlers can't take any wickets, maybe he can bowl one over, so you can go with him. And Rahman is a very good all-rounder, friends. He is a very excellent player, and he will come to the batting at the one down batsman, and his stats are 54 matches, 640 runs, 50 wickets. You can go with him as a vice captain. He is a very good pick, so you can go with him. F Nazir is the another good batsman, and he will come to bat two down, and he is a very excellent player, and he is the all-rounder also. Try to keep him as a main player, because in batting side only there are all-rounders, friends, so that you can go with the all-rounders only, because they can consider with bat and ball. So F Nazir stats are 46 matches, 711 runs and 38 wickets. He is a very excellent good pick. A Yusuf is an opener batsman, but he is not coming to batsman, because his stats are there in lower grade matches. And try to I will tell you the stats, friend. 39 matches, 431 runs and 39 wickets. You can go with him. A Rashid is also another good pick, and because he is an all-rounder, he is also an all-rounder. He is not there in yesterday's match, but if he is there in this match, you can go with him, because he will ball and bat also. 27 matches, 235 runs, 15 wickets. He is a very excellent pick. Coming to the all-rounder side, A Khan. I think A Khan is an good pick, but Irkan is an excellent pick, because he's 34 matches, 772 runs, 6 wickets. He is not there in previous match, but if he is there in this match, he will open the innings surely. So you can go with him. As Sajidi is another important player from NS side and experienced player. He will open the innings, and he will bowl confirmly 2 overs. You can go with him, captain. And his stats are 64 matches, 1527 runs and 32 wickets. You can go with him. And S Munde he is another opener batsman, and he will bowl 2 overs, and he is a very experienced player. 61 matches, 638 runs and 52 wickets. Because as I said that he is a very experienced player. R. Kumar Rajendra is the lower middle order batsman, and if the top order will fail, Rajendra Prasad will play crucial role, and his stats are 15 matches, 340 runs and 11 wickets. You can go with him, because he is a very good pick. A Hafiz is another opener batsman. He is a very important player from NS set. He is selected by lowest percentage, because he didn't play previous match, but try to keep this match, because he is a very important player, because some big players will not play first match, but they will play another match, so try to don't leave them. So please keep them. A Hafiz as an important player. A Ullal I didn't get his stats, but he will bowl 2 overs, and his batting stats I don't know. It's your choice to go with him or not. Coming to the bowling side, Air off is another good bowler. He will bowl confirmly 2 overs, and his stats are 55 matches, 65 runs, 7 wickets. You can go with him because he is a good bowler. And as Surendran, he not there in the previous match, and if he is there in the match, his stats are 34 matches, 271 runs, 25 wickets. You can go with him. Jet Fazil is the another important bowler from NSD who can take some crucial wickets, and his stats are 35 matches, 36 wickets. Very good pick. You can go with the Chandan Kumar. Chandan Kumar is another good pick. He is not there in this match, and his stats are 17 matches, 296 runs, 11 wickets. A. Rahman is also another good bowler, and 52 matches, 57 wickets. He is the very important player. Try to keep combination of Jet Fazil and A. Rahman, and because they are very important. D. Morgan will bowl 2 overs confirmly, and his stats are very perfect. 37 matches, 26 wickets. He is selected by 7% only because yesterday match he didn't took any wickets. Try to remember one point because the big players can play at any time only. He didn't play previous match, but he will play this match. So try to don't leave the big players. And he is very important player. Afsham is another good player, and he will come to batting also at the fourth or fifth down also. And his stats are also very good. 52 matches, 62 wickets. Try to keep D Morgan, Afsham as an combination because they both can take some crucial wickets, and try to keep them. And these are the all the stats and bowling options as I said. And I will tell you the captain vice captain choice. You can go at Sajid because he is the opener and two down batsman. You can consider with runs bat and ball. And Munde, as I said, he will be good captain choice because he will come to the batting and he will bowl 2 overs. You can go with him. And coming to the AFs, you can go with him vice captain only because I don't know that is batting order previous match. I will tell you in my telegram channel if his batting order. And coming to the A. Jamuldin, you can keep him vice captain because he will bowl 1 or 2 hours and will come to the one down batting. You can go with him because he is important player. And Rahman, you can go with captain in Grand League only because he can bowl very well in this match. And A. Rashid, if he is there in this match, you can go with vice captain. As I said, every captain and vice captain choices also. And I will tell you the bowling combination. Try to keep that combination. F. Fazil and A. Rahman, keep both of them in one combination, and D. Morgan, F. Sham as in one combination because these are the important bowlers from both team side, and they can bowl in depth orders, and they can take crucial wickets. As Sajadi as Munde is the both important players. You have to keep them. ARGG also you have to keep them because these three players are very important. And coming to the batting side, A. Jamuldin, D. Hafiz, R. Vyas, and Rahman, A. Jobaidi, A. Yusuf, F. Nazir. These are all are very important players, and it's your choice to pick the right persons in the match. And I will give you the teams in my Telegram channel also. If you want to, you can come. You can subscribe my Telegram channel so that you can get my teams also. And if try to play the grand leagues only, don't play head to head matches, and try to play different fantasy apps like PlayerSport and Ballebaji also. And if you like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe my Telegram channel and YouTube channel. My Telegram channel will be in my in the description, so try to subscribe my Telegram channel. Thank you and keep supporting me.